Welcome to the birthplace of IMLI, the world's smartest ambient lighting. It's your next most successful product in portfolio. And I get goosebumps just by saying that. So, let's go inside.
This is our team, and we are highly educated. All of us are Masters of Science with a diploma from the best Croatian IT college. And these guys have 25 years of combined experience. And 5 Masters of Science and 20 years of combined experience more. And this is Marco, our lead iOS developer. It's all about the customer experience, isn't it, Marco? Now, let's go back to IMLI.
We already have our quote-unquote basic IMLI module. This is like archaeology. We are looking at the evolution of our 4 prototypes. And this one is the latest and the smallest one. And this is how it works.
IMLI is a home leisure product. It enriches your home experience by, number 1, turning the light into a distinctive design feature. Number 2, adding a dash of smart home in your apartment. And number 3, enhancing your mood. For example, relaxation. And since everyone's unique, you need a light that you can make truly yours and unique too. But how to make a light unique? Sell colored bulbs separately? Or, well, we are in IT era. Your phone is yours. It's unique, just as your ambient lights should be. And therefore the combination.
IMLI is still a prototype, and the whole experience around it is being built, so it hasn't yet been released to pre-orders. That will happen during our stay in Sofia. 11. We need your advice and we need your funding to ignite our marketing activities. We'll do the rest. So, see you in Sofia.